Ebusunya Samaba, Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan is in trouble. NPP youth goes after Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan. Almost say, or you'll be a or tiny nipa, or you'll be a nini bradie. Na omun will be a or tiny nibrinti. Was spending scatter the Kennedy Akompre Japan as spending. Almost as to say, Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan, Ekasati so be NDC ni. Nen sem a oka, any yen natural say, or NDC ni. Omun jin this or NPP ni. And the Busuma Kebia Honorable Kennedy Japan papa. I'm sure I'm right for me say ow. A whole former member of parliament for 24 good years. I don't know where any sir. I don't know where any sir because I shimpo or ye be a NPP party no. That ain't where any sir. But the NPP youths very like they have given it to him. Like I don't know, bro. Then I can Japan the because the level of a year in somewhere in the market can Japan no. Man, the minute I can resign, the Dr. Bawumia said, "Wait, man, non simple because, bro, it's like Kennedy Japan. I'm first at a time. I'm first at a time, and bro, it is not easy. Now, there are three different videos, and I'm going to show you. Now, let's watch the first video. Now, some of you Kaisa Haya Ghana and Same TV. Now, ba, it didn't happen. I'm just so sad in any day, any promise. You go to someone. Ghana for I catch you on Kennedy Japan. The first video, Embra, here we are.
Since you owe me who said, yeah, party internal elections. Me who so be a CC cat said the honorable Kennedy Japan, and that me who be that. Hatred penny what time pan casang. Hey, honorable Kennedy Japan. A dume be honorable Kennedy Japan, yen Ghana, any yeti be a was stopping. And would trace Kadema delegates in Kwa. Madam would sika. But ye shani boss obelusu. Adia ye mare ho ne se de nyankopon efa NPP su shira honorable Kennedy Japan. Ya honorable Kennedy Japan e se sika na wonye obi antu ne fo. O se sika no. Honorable Kennedy Japan timi se nyina ne naso biem etese de no wote na ye friend Kennedy Japan no de ne nsesi ne bo e ka se me talk we ma e na me na me ye usi na me na after NPP elections, presidential elections. Onya, the ontimi sense ni dada mu biem. Because of ne nsema wakeka no. Abai ni ntimi ma bem emma MPP fo nso so omete se wono a enhwe emfa contract akese nza mani biem. Eno no nso nse nye sika ntimi fa nya nwuma te se de first no. President Kofo ne eye na nado danko Kofo ne Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia mo ma ne yeye no. Ebi nsi biem. Because honorable Kennedy Japan sika wo se no. Emiano minim ninua maamo ene Nigeria mu bebrebe no ensem o mo ne eka because it show clearly sa edifo atofo na o mo hye ne nkom emfa enukure bi anim emfa sika bi obetua during election time ni bia otua times 2 MPP fo no eye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ni team mo so betua times 3 emfa and the delegates no so nye ready so mbeto aba omo ye ni yodium
ya semo me say we your first video na second video no utikura ba ya ensemo areta me say o se me kan che na Kennedy Japan say ya bre no o se ya bre no na Kennedy Japan epie ko kasa o kasa te say na NPP past government na on kan ho bi now so na oye board chairman na Ghana Gas Defense Committee of Parliament na on na da no onya contract and koka so be bo MPP grassroots na nka obo omo say onjai so ye na atwum na okogina montia na okata te se de ase party no na onka ho bi ase onya ahwe ase on benefiting free party ni mu na so ye probi our benefit from the MPP as a political party abamoba power Kennedy Japan ye nipa 10 wanya na mo na ba na 2 enu nti MPP youth ne say Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan ye say yes wa ye bia ye wankase wa ye bia to aso na okasa dodo omo so ye ndisi ni amomu omo kra mpo se Samsung kan kire wo se boga de wo ye ne de se to ba ni Dr. Bawumia ni say ke fa se otrimu sa party no mepa nwa firi and your mama one in the bia pa ma one ni bi kwa kodu JFK so na ti I one in bi o de ma JFK ti ensem mo ka kire JFK ye nti sansem no so embra
Kukrudu shirado NPP General Secretary Mr. Kodria Frempong. Che. Yen mu biaye din ye di eni ena show. E wo mu said ye yewura abronye. Ni nsem bi wo ha okeka eya na anu ohye. Eya na ye mu bi wo ho no ma ye support. But my yen can sem bi enchire mo. Che. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ni nyina papa na ne ye papa na sempa. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong timi gyina amansan fidie so timi kwotena TV station etimi condemn MPP etimi ka kire MPP fo asasebe MPP fo eyam asiafo no wonu ne hokura se woye MPP ni General Secretary na woni krom ha na woni Ghana ha wo kwache senti 1 ti de na ekoso no na de abronya kokan bidia wa kire de petition o de kwai General Secretary wan kasa me sure say wo General Secretary no me sure say wo be ko ba ko pe na abeko ba ko pe na abeko unko biem because onyema bi wo ho a wo ya me yan ka asem kire o yanya ye wo ground so ye ni nyi ye ya wo ye no ho so obi ya na so wantimi an condemn ya obi be ya men condemn adan me amoye na ye say ye hwehwani mu na moye na ye sa ase de ona bukede Japan do be kan on de obi ntimi challenge no but nipa foforo be kan eno de obi betimi challenge no meboa MPP mpanimfo no mu binom eka ho enene ye de ti opposition a yensu mu etie no MPP mu mpanimfo ni bi ka ho enti se wo a wo ye General Secretary no se obi ye na wontimi nkondem obi koye enko obi nkasa sabi atam didie ene de sabi ye rabronya mo keka no ensam ni bi wo ho no ma ya na no ohye me ye na medi ya se asa yenya ye party fo yi ene omo amu me yesi ye ntoma gofi e wa abontin se but ona bu Kennedy Japan sampe na ona bu Kennedy Japan anka wo krom ha election time ya ba beto aba etimi bobo sita e wo so omo be mo lose ampampani ampa su omu lose omu seat aden na wo General Secretary wo kwa de kese pani dua mante enya me yamfa ya bu fishew e ma wo so wati enya me yamfa ya bu fishew e ma wo so aden de ba asema se wa twere abronye enya fa kede di suko bi abo papa wo su bempa ono wote we me MPP ba power menya post bia o obi antua meka ma ade a meton no enu ana meton besi ne enu a na meton ebesi aboa papo Ghana gas enyo na oda no company fo ne ho ene de ehwe onu a begina ho wo demonstration a wanko bi wo nso a wo mo koy nso a wo be akwa ebe condemn wo adan enu de General Secretary ni de wo ehunu asem aka yera kodua yempese enu benya problem o app isu yempese enu benya issue kura wo Ghana ha enti yesrew kawanu tum na pe ba bi na tena na akwada mi hu General Secretary wasasa woda as me say wo mi hu General Secretary wasa MPP General Secretary fu ba ye na wo na wasa wati me dey free power dey akwakoto opposition wo dey akwakoto opposition say ye kan wo me enka na wo General Secretary wa begira ho na wo keka na ye wo de wo ye adwuma ye no ukro ma ye no be ko no boot for boot o ye ka kire wo ye wo wankasa 4 years ena wo ba ye ka kire so unima ene ye ka kire MPP General Secretary ye ra Henry kwa ka ne say we say FK ye kan na ye ka kire ye so wo be ko one term because ye hu General Secretary wa bon klasa wo da wati ye hu General Secretary mi MPP General Secretary na wo na wa bon because wo na ade free power de akotra opposition jombo do timi be fa yen e de ye free opposition de ye ba power afa wo be di so wo de akotra opposition eti kan no to na pe ba bitra se Kennedy ye na se wo ntimi nka de abronya ya enka pe ba bitra na afa mu nyina ya prebre mo e de ba asem a mo ya na mama ya enkrofo de enkrofo ke kasa ba koji jiska ya na mo ma ya agi edi ade na mo ye bo defense ma party da bia mo ma ye bresa e de ba asem a
enti atasa wo ne we come a JFK a omo di bi su come a Kennedy Japan no e na kire say the last one a mind posting a kire say busunya e no de we ye mbe show no e no so ba ye na say e na return so e de tuja video ni wow e 10 minutes and the ensam de okay bi ankasa enko tie ensam a reta enso e de tuja embra
Please, delegates, let's go watch Kennedy Agyapong video and then come back and have honest conversations.
We are going to use this form also to employ polling station executives and electoral area coordinators, constituency executives, because we are tired of working for the party. And when the party is in power and you need job, they will charge you 20,000 for migration, police 20,000, fire service 20,000, military 20,000, prison 20,000. Fill this form. We are not going to allow any party member to charge the delegates for positions. If they dare.
You see, when you look at Kennedy closely, especially on days that he wants to take a break from making Bawumia his enemy and actually make sense, tell delegates what he has for them, all you see is Mahama in him. And I'm not surprised NDC are backing him up. They want him because obviously he is more like one of the forebearers of unrealistic, most unproductive solutions for Ghana, just like NDC has been to Ghana for over decades. Why did I say that? When you sit back and you reflect on all the promises that Mahama was making to the Ghanaian people for 2024, nothing in there was realistic. Nothing in there was practical. Nothing in there could offer solution. All Mahama did was manipulate and take advantage of temporal, challenges that Ghana was facing at the time. And if you watch his campaign, you can go back and search. Wherever people were complaining about Galamsey, Mahama mounts the platform and tell the people that vote for me when I come. I will stop it in 14 days. No solution. How? Nobody asks. Wherever employees were complaining about employment, Mahama goes there, mounts platform, wear dark specs, and assure them that when I come, I will restore automatic postings. As to how, nobody asked, and he never gave. Wherever Mahama saw Ghanaians complaining about high cost of living, he mounts the platform, and what did he say? Vote for me. When I come, you buy kinky 1 cedi. As to how, nobody asked, and he never gave. Wherever people were complaining about not getting employed, holistically, Mahama mounts platform and say 24-hour economy, I'll bring it. How? Nobody asked. They never find the how for Ghanaians. And these were just temporal problems and challenges that the country was facing, as much as the whole world after COVID. He manipulated and took advantage of it. Today he's in power. And everyone is what? Getting served woto. That is the exact thing that any day at all Kennedy want to do something better than accusing Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia for losing or for not performing with the economy, which is a blatant lie, only will be swallowed by people who just went to school to learn, but not to apply the knowledge they have gained. That is what he do. In 2025, Fourth Industrial Revolution, Kennedy's solution to fix you people, you delegates, your problem is a manual form. When there's already an ongoing case against a personnel who could fill ghost names, you have a presidential candidate with where technology and the world has reached, holding a manual form saying, fill this form. Do you know why Kennedy cannot mention digitalization? He is the same person that have mounted platform and tell people to undermine the use of technology in solving what? corruption. Yes. He has undermined Dr. Idea's digitalized economy agenda. So he cannot go to platform and say it. And that is why, in order for him to sound like he is different, he decided to go and do a manual form and come and tell you to fill it. Sometimes we just need to think aback. Huh? Can you imagine National Health Insurance? Manual form of record keeping. Manual form. Medical record keeping. Those of you that used to go to hospital and you have to hold folders. Just cast your mind back to the days of you queuing at the hospitals for folders. How was it like? You see, politics is not difficult, but it's like we, the Ghanaian people, most of the time we just refuse to apply our own common sense that God has given us. And that is why Kennedy Agyapong think that holding a manual form in 2025 maybe a world now go through the best solution to make him a president of this country. The same way Mahama undermined medical drones and say it was misplaced of priorities and is actually saving lives. That is what Kennedy did. And it's high time that we start applying our own common sense as Ghanaian people and young, vibrant youth of this country. No leaders to just laugh at and pack them. And no leaders to actually pay attention to support them, to lead us to the things that we all admire in other countries. Doctor, best way to solving this situation is to what? To have a digitalized database system. That one is going to stop ghost names. It's going to stop form duplication. Kennedy does not know that somebody can pick this form. Go and mimic it and fill as many as he can. And they'll collate and go and give it to him. How are you going? What system are you going to vet to know that the people that they have filled the form for, they are even human beings or not? How can this be? How can you holding a manual form in 2025 be a solution to solve what? The problems that delegates and NPP people are facing. And we need to wake up. I'm not surprised that most of the people backing Kennedy Agyapong are from the NDC. Because when you are talking about forbearance of unrealistic, unpracticable, and most unproductive solutions, that is NDC. And they form a huge part of the population that keep drawing this country in the dish. Today, look at what is happening. Health insurance is bound to collapse again. The very free senior high school double track system that they complain about, they have no single solution to stopping it and implementing. And it's still ongoing. And that is NDC for you. And I'm just here to say, delegates of the NPP, if indeed you are serious that you want somebody who will come and the cake will be extended to everyone in the grassroots, your most practical solution is Dr. Bawumia. What this man is doing, to me, is just like somebody who thinks he has amassed wealth. And wealth means once you are successful in gathering contracts and make millions, you are qualified to be a president. And without a solution, but fully aware of the temporal problems you have as NPP people and as Ghanaian people, he is using the route of the NDC, taking advantage of everything you complain about to massage your brains without a single practicable solution to that challenge, because this form he's holding cannot be your solution to actually make sure that edidija ebesi ewo NPP into one sorry grassroots na mo si omo didi ajamo se mo pe solution akasa de wey awoye cannot be the one to save you, and that is the honest truth. Thank you.
Enti ebusuan se mo return so de tu dwa no and I just say na Japan de na ebusuan ne ma bia kokoko ni video ma tere say omo bobo ne mfin me no ka say de Japan I weak a tere say how de no wakoto mu ne de esini kroi na nyina ne say Canadian Japan them say they talk too much. Almost say when I Canadian Japan sometimes behave as if he wasn't part of the past administration. Almost say the way Okasa no eluku to say or yet the bidding of the NDC. Almost in a year, his actions and the body movement and everything. And to say he has the NPP at heart. And almost say or time NPP. I make watch your videos no, and you heard what they said. You heard them. But soon see it. And when him fry into share now who in out here. I think it is time for Honorable Canadian Japan to withdraw from a year the flag bearership race at Aircoso. Yes, he needs to withdraw. Honorable Canadian Japan needs to withdraw from the flag bearership race. Simple as ABCD. Simple. He should withdraw from the race. Now got na say be ba ni apɛ assemblyman bi amanedi ana DC ana ne obro DC on obro DC so IMP for 24 years okay obro DC ti the man CEO yes CEO yes I know there CEO there CEO there because I know there CEO there Honorable Kenya Japan Honorable Kennedy if anything Honorable Kennedy Japan I'm on the phone here we want on from that at time was called can say economy uncle professor forget it you be on phone what I say almost say the American Japan CEO say about see already I could also was KD CEO there well on I was all one year, they may not be only last only option. Yeah, only option to so genus. But I got an MTV, medium just any problem.